Tired of lag ruining your PS5 victories? You don't need a miracle. Just the top 6 best Ethernet cable for PS5 to unlock smoother multiplayer, faster downloads, and rock-solid connections. Stay tuned, we'll break down real options for real gamers and help you pick the perfect one. Welcome to the channel. Check the description links to grab yours and level up your PS5 internet. On number 6 is Orbram 15 feet. Ever launched a match only to watch your PS5 choke on lag? That sinking feeling hits hard when Wi-Fi falters. And that's where a quality Orbram 15 feet Ethernet cable for PS5 changes everything. The Orbram Cat 8 Ethernet cable brings ultra-fast speeds and up to 40 GB per second bandwidth with shielded wiring that fights interference for steadier gameplay and fewer hiccups. Its flat, flexible design makes routing behind a TV or desk easy, and backward compatibility means it works with older Cat standards too. While Cat 8 may be more than your PS5's gigabit port can fully use, future-proofing your setup feels reassuring, and stability is real. Compared with basic Cat 6 cables, Orbram's shielding delivers a noticeably cleaner, interruption-free connection that keeps frustration at bay. At number 5 is Smolink 50 feet. Ever had your PS5 match lag just when it matters most? That's the frustration every gamer dreads, and choosing the right Ethernet cable for PS5 can make that problem fade into memory. The Smolink 50 feet Cat 8 Ethernet cable delivers up to 40 GB per second speed with shielded S or FTP construction that fights interference for steadier, more responsive gameplay and smoother streaming. Its flat, flexible design makes routing along walls or under desks easy, and the heavy-duty braided jacket resists tangles and wear over time. Compared with simpler Cat 6 cables, this Cat 8 cord offers higher bandwidth headroom, even if your PS5's gigabit port won't fully use it, giving peace of mind for future upgrades. At number 4 is Snowkids 15 feet. Imagine launching your PS5 battle only to watch lag steal the win. That frustration pushes gamers toward wired connections, and choosing the right Ethernet cable for PS5 changes everything. The Snowkids 15 feet Cat 8 Ethernet cable brings 40 GB per second speed and 2000 MHz bandwidth with shielded twisted pairs to reduce interference and keep data flowing smoothly between your console and router. Its flat, braided design hides neatly along walls or floors, making setup clean and simple even in tight spaces. Solid construction and gold-plated RJ45 connectors enhance durability. Though Cat 8 speeds exceed what the PS5 port actually uses, they offer peace of mind and future compatibility unlike basic Cat 6 cables. On number 3 is VOIETOLT 100 feet. Imagine wiring your outdoor gaming setup or backyard Wi-Fi only to watch speed drop and signal fade in rain or heat. A frustrating reality without the right Ethernet cable for PS5 or outdoor network runs. The VOIETOLT 100 feet Cat 6 Ethernet cable tackles that head-on with weatherproof, water, and UV-resistant LLDPE jacket and up to 10 GB per second data speed that keeps connections steady for gaming, streaming, or backyard routers. Its gold-plated RJ45 connectors and flexible build make burial or wall runs straightforward, offering long, reliable reach, though its robust jacket can feel stiff in very cold conditions. Compared with typical indoor Cat 5e cables, this one holds up much better in harsh outdoor environments, giving peace of mind for large yard installations. At number 2 is DbillionDa 6 feet. Ever felt your PS5 lag just when victory was in sight? That annoyance often comes from unstable network links, and while Wi-Fi fluctuations don't help, the DbillionDa 6 feet Cat 8 Ethernet cable addresses that by delivering ultra-high throughput and shielding that keeps your connection steady. With support for up to 40 GB per second data transmission at 2000 MHz bandwidth, it pushes data efficiently even under heavy load, perfect for online gaming, HD streaming, or large file transfers. It's robust and versatile across routers, consoles like PS5, Xbox, and PCs, though Cat 8's top speed far exceeds most home internet plans. Compared with simple Cat 6 cables, it offers noticeably cleaner connections and greater future-proofing without complex setup. Now moving to the last one is UGREEN 6 feet. You might be shocked how much difference a short, solid cable can make, especially if your PS5 or PC load screens stutter or your online match lags at the worst moment. The UGREEN 6 feet Cat 8 Ethernet cable brings up to 40 GB per second data transfer and 2000 MHz bandwidth, giving your network steady throughput for gaming, HD streaming, and heavy downloads. Its shielded F or FTP design and gold-plated RJ45 connectors cut down interference and crosstalk, which matters when lots of electronics share the same space. The braided jacket resists wear and bending for long-lasting use. While Cat 8 speeds exceed a PS5's gigabit port, the cable still feels snappy and reliable compared with basic Cat 6 options. Perfect for a tight console or PC gaming setup where Wi-Fi just can't keep up. I'd pick the UGREEN 6-foot Cat 8 8 Ethernet cable because it dramatically improves everyday wired connections for your PS5 or gaming rig with up to 40 gigabit per second speeds and 2000 megahertz bandwidth, making lag and buffering far less likely even during high traffic use.